we go. So this is a live video for training my CSS movable chords stacks from CSS-Tricks to an actual plugin that can be used like on the first page of the CSS-Tricks website to display the last posted posts on WordPress in a CSS card style. So this is the article. Let's first check if the video is live or not. Okay, so we're live. Let's change the name of the live video. Wait. Okay. Larbizard live movable CSS-Tricks cards stack. See my article on we have the article here. And the link to the video from CSS-Tricks presented by Chris Coyer, which is a great YouTube channel to follow, an amazing website to subscribe to its newsletter. So in his tutorial he explains exactly how to build the actual movable card stack, and in my tutorial I'm going to show you how just to turn it into a CSS WordPress plugin and integrate it to your WordPress website to use it as a last post tool to display your last posts like on CSS-Tricks. So let's add here CSS-Tricks cards stack WordPress plugin. Code pen and Chris Coyer. And yeah, let's use this picture as thumbnail, and here we go. Save. Okay, so is it recording? recording on home. Larbizard, Snap, OBS Studio 439. Same as stream. Okay, let's hope it's recording. Then we'll cut the live and try to make the video. Okay, so now that we have our base code from my code pen. So if you go on the link on my website that I shared in the bottom of the video, you can access the code pen code here and click on edit on code pen so you can see the code. Or you can also see the version from Chris Coyer. Oh, don't know if he actually shared his code on CodePen, but he is definitely doing his demonstration on CodePen. Maybe we can see the link here. It's Chris Coyer. So it's codepen.io/Chris Coyer /pen/WMLHE. Yeah, here it is. I'm gonna share the link also in the bottom of the video. Chris Coyer code pen version. Can YouTube video and see my article. Here we go. Okay. Okay. Tap. And let's go back to my code on CodePen. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 cards with all the divs, card divs inside one big div called with class cards, and all the CSS here, which is actually SCSS, but there is only 2 parts in this code that are actually using variables and nestness. Here we have the end and the var distance, but we can still replace all of these to have some CSS code, as I don't know how we could integrate the CSS to WordPress. For the moment I'm gonna make it all CSS for our plugin. So I have copied here the whole CSS code. As you can see, I have removed the variable distance and also the in the card the end not first child, so we can have only CSS. And I have put all of these in a folder called Movable Stack Cards Larbizard. That's the name we're gonna give to our plugin, in a CSS file, style.css, and I have created the main file which we called movable stacks cards.larbizard.php that will contain our code for the PHP and the HTML that displays the actual cards. So for the WordPress widget, it's basically a big div which we'll put inside a loop in PHP that will loop through each last post that we're gonna get using the wget recent post function from the WordPress handbook. So if we type get recent posts WordPress handbook, you can see that this function that you get the last post, and you can give it an array, input array, to get a certain number of posts in the arguments, and you can specify the offset, the category, the order by post date, descendant, ascendant, etc. And you can also check only for published posts or all posts depending on what you want, and you can put here an array of post status, but in my case I just want the published ones. And then when we get all these values, we can loop through them with the for each loop, and for each recent post as recent, we're going to use the recent variable to get all the informations about the post. We want to display them through a div that we're going to close, and having here a title for our example here. We're gonna just put the title, and to get the title you can have the link to the article using recent ID for the link, and the actual text of the post title by using the recent post title here. And then we reset the query. So that's the basic part we need. And to make sure that we have a structured WordPress plugin, we're gonna need a header in the main file. So WordPress plugin API, right, plugin, so I can base my plugin on another one that I have made before. So we can just put this information here. The plugin name will be Movable Stack Cards Larbizard. I'm gonna put the link here to movable stack cards, Larbizard, WordPress plugin to display the last, let's say the last posts in movable stack cards style, like in CSS-Tricks version 1. Larbizard. Let's use a GPL2 license, so it's gonna be open to anyone who wants to use it freely. Let's use a domain like this slug, domain path languages. Okay, so that's the base now. And let's add some code here. We want to add a PHP tag at the beginning. Let's maybe close it here and keep on. So we can add basically everything in a function and use let me see GitHub.com. I have a code I made here. Right, we added a shortcut, so let's use this shortcode function, add shortcode, and to do so we gonna put everything here. And you can call it add movable last posts movable cards, stack cards. And here we can call it make movable stack cards posts, and let's create that function here. And put our code inside. That's clean and sweet. Let's indent all of this code. Okay, so now we have our code. Add short code, make movable stack cards posts. Let's see, add short code PHP WordPress. do shortcode. Okay. So search content for shortcuts and filter shortcuts through their hooks. If there are no shortcut tags defined, then the content will be returned without any filtering. This might cause issues when plugging. Okay, that's not it. That's not what we want. Okay, let's just use the actual shortcode the way it is. So we have everything here. I think we have what we need. We don't need any action or filter. We're just gonna add a shortcut. Let's upload all of these to my actual website and see if it's gonna break. So let's use file Zilla. Let's connect to it. Okay. Now let's upload the plugin. Upload. Yay. Let's check if the plugin is in the list. Here, Movable stack cards, Larbizard WordPress plugin. Display the last posts in Movable stack card site. CSS-Tricks. It's activated. Hope it's not gonna broke. It's broken. Okay, what's the issue? Header already sent by line 18. Warning, cannot modify header information. Header already sent by. Output started at in. Let's just remove this and see what's gonna happen. Line 16. Okay, let's put all of these. PHP, close PHP, HTML, open, close. Let's use echo. Echo. Oh yeah. Yeah. We should put all of these inside the function. Before and after the for each. And remove these. Let's try it. Okay, that seems to work. Now let's go to post. Let's add a new post. Okay, let's call it movable cards. Okay, let's go and modify the old post. CSS-Tricks movable cards. Okay, using Beaver Builder. I like this tool. It's a great building page tool. Can work quickly and make great pages. So our shortcut is last post movable stock cards. So let's go down here and add the text section. And add our shortcut. Click done, publish. Let's reload. Okay, it's not displaying. Maybe we should return something. Yeah. Okay. Let's put everything here in a var argument. It's good. Posts cards. Okay. Equal this plus this. This equals this plus this. And return this. Okay. Let's upload. Reload. Okay, 0. That's not cool. Something is wrong. What is wrong? Postcards equals div. Postcards equals postcard plus each div each time we have a div. Return postcards. Okay, short code WordPress return HTML. Oh yeah, we haven't integrated the CSS. Okay, let's try this. Try to return just a test text. Test hello world. Test hello world, so that's working. Okay, so if this works, it means something very small is not working. Args, recent posts, get recent posts. Maybe let's try just to display this. See if there are actually some posts to display. And also we should okay, so just trying to include the CSS here. Let's continue trying to display the recent posts. See if it's gonna add an issue or not. Hope not. Let's reload. So we have an array. Let's display the first element of the array. Yep. Or oh yeah, it's not a plus we have to do here, but a dot. That's PHP. Let's hope it's this. great. Here we have our list of CSS posts, but this is not enough. Our CSS is not included. Let's just check the code here. So do we have the divs? Okay, here are the cards. Great. So let's try to include the CSS now, as apparently the CSS is not working here. Let's try just include. Unexpected parentheses. Oh yeah, of course. Yeah, doesn't seem legit. Oh, this is not working. Okay, include CSS. For styles, namespace. Okay, let's just try it. And use. Okay, so we have to register it and enqueue. Let's call it movable cards namespace. Let's just try this. And enqueue namespace. No, it's not working. Maybe let's just put the whole full path here, just to try. Okay, this is not the best way, but okay, so now it's working. Yay! This is definitely not responsive. We have to improve it. And also we should remove this part and see if it's gonna work. I'm sure there is a relative path system that we have to use. So let's just first try this. Okay, so it's kind of working. Let's just do something quickly. Put our code on GitHub so everybody can access it. See if there are any errors. Oh. What's this? Maybe we're gonna check this after. Okay, so let's document the Larbizard. Keep Git in it. Git. Okay. And now let's try Git init. And let's Git. Okay. Add Git commit. Add initial commit or first commit. Oh, I have to configure everything. Okay. Okay. Well, I think I'm gonna finish here this live. You can certainly find all my code on my GitHub, and I will share the link below the video. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the ring bell to receive all my new videos. Thank you.